Albert Einstein's journey began on March 14th, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. A curious child, he was captivated by a compass his father gave him, sparking a lifelong fascination with science. Einstein's education started at the Leupold Gymnasium, but he struggled with a rigid schooling system. Despite this, he taught himself advanced mathematics and philosophy. In 1894, his family moved to Italy, and a year later, he finished secondary school in Switzerland. He attended the Swiss Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, where he met Mileva Merrick, who would become his first wife. Graduating in 1900, Einstein faced difficulties finding a teaching job and ended up working as a patent clerk in Bern. It was during this time that he developed some of his most revolutionary theories. 1905, known as his Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, saw the publication of 4 groundbreaking papers, changing the face of physics. One of these introduced the theory of special relativity, encapsulated by the iconic equation E=mc². These achievements earned him a prominent place in the scientific community. In 1915, he presented the general theory of relativity, which proposed that gravity is the warping of space-time by mass. This theory was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, making Einstein an international celebrity. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect. Einstein's fame continued to grow, and he became known for his outspoken views on pacifism and Zionism. In 1933, with the rise of the Nazi regime, Einstein emigrated to the United States, where he accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He spent his later years advocating for civil rights and was instrumental in promoting the founding of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Einstein's correspondence included friendships with notable figures like Niels Bohr and Rabindranath Tagore, leading to productive intellectual exchanges. Despite being offered the presidency of Israel, he declined, preferring to maintain his focus on science. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, but his legacy endures in the scientific principles that continue to shape our understanding of the universe today. His contributions to theoretical physics remain foundational, and his thoughts on peace and humanity continue to inspire future generations. As Einstein said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world."